shit. The fuck? He accidentally bumped that nitrous button, y'all. Damn, he accidentally hit that nitrous button, y'all. Damn, he turned that ball off quick. Oh! Damn, he got them wheels aimed over here. For all my people that's on TikTok, y'all, I'm live on YouTube. Y'all check it out. Lookout Racing is the YouTube channel. We got it in HD, showing way better. We're using a zoom and everything. Okay. Full pass, full pass. Yeah, they made a full pass. Hold on, they said they gotta mop something up. What is that? What is that? I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. Gerald, what you think about that, Gerald? Huh?
I got a V6 truck over there I run.
Yeah. You gonna try him in that V6?
I just want motherfucker $10 say the bitch won't do an 8.
Yeah.
That motherfucker look. Hey,
what?
Get that nigga back down to here.
Back down.
And y'all watching this live and y'all still not following him.
Yeah.
Subscribe or none
Subscribe.
of that. Bro, y'all lame, bro.
Yeah.
Y'all watching this live, y'all still not subscribed or following him. Get out of here.
Y'all should be subscribed by now. I think they subscribing. They subscribe with that.
That's subscribe.
Yeah.
That is subscribe.
Oh yeah, she subscribed. You know her?
No. You better not. I go to Walmart. I'm supposed to be at Walmart.
Oh, you be at Walmart?
No.
Hey, miss, you on my YouTube channel, ain't you? You suscríbete a mi canal? Oh yeah. She on there, y'all. Hey, she on there. I told y'all.
She on a lot of YouTube, I imagine.
Yeah. Yeah, she on there. Yeah. Yeah, she from Puerto Rico, y'all. She only speaks Spanish. Huh? Okay, my shit over there. Let me see something. Oh, nah. It's in that clip. It's in that clip.
I'm an old school nigga. I'm 45.
Nah, I didn't say
Whatever gonna get that nigga. I told you. Hey, Tyrone.
Yeah.
You making it going crazy. Oh, yeah, give us
You want a beer?
Hey, I'm making that
Spanish speaking to me. Know just how I like. Huh?
I guess you're gonna be racing that black Monte Carlo tonight, is you?
I don't know. I'm gonna try to. I'm finna see if they ready for
Man, he done fuck the whole track up right now, though, so I don't know.
He ain't fuck it up.
He went back and forth. Why ain't he just...
Well, this time he ain't gonna go back and forth. They gonna get it right first.
I got my points on you, brother. You know what I'm saying? You got it, baby.
Okay. Let me see where Funky Town is. Oh, there go Funky Town. What, man? No.
Say, man, on over there.
What happened? Oh, crap. I need to pull the car. I'm gonna see if we're gonna pull this car. win, y'all.
I told you.
He told you. Left lane running. Okay. Back tire hit. Okay. Where y'all betting at? Y'all bet with him? He getting the back tire in the hit, y'all. He getting the back tire in the hit. Oh, they betting on this. Milton trying to bet. Bet 20. Damn, Funky Town say bet 20. He on the other side.